horses eat? It's hay, of course. In America, we feed our horses hay, either alfalfa hay or some type of grass hay. We have Bermuda, teff hay, and Timothy hay are all types of grass hays. Also, if possible, horses love to eat grass out in pasture. So if you have a chance to give your horse some grass time, that's really great too. It's very important to know that horses can't throw up. So if they get a stomach ache, they can be very serious and life-threatening. In fact, the leading cause of death in horses is colic or stomach ache. So it's very important that your horses eat at regular times and regular amounts. If you're not sure, always talk to your vet or horse trainer to find out what's best for your horse. At most barns, they feed horses 2 or 3 times a day. Good quality hay. And it's very important they always have clean water available at all times. Horses like to eat slowly and spend many hours a day eating. So to recap, the main principal food that you're going to be feeding your horse is good quality hay, whether it's alfalfa or a grass hay like Timothy. And if your horse is working hard, you might supplement his feed with some grain and vitamins. Same if your horse is older and having a hard time maintaining his weight. Your veterinarian might ask you to feed him some grain or vitamins. So I hope this video is helpful for learning the basics about horse nutrition.